Drop a candle into the fabric softener. Most people don't know this trick. I'll show you how everyday products can be transformed into something completely different. You'll need white candles. Even broken ones can be used for this. This way, you repurpose them into something valuable. Take a pan and place the candles inside. Heat the pan until the candles melt completely. Once melted, use tongs to remove the wicks. Next, take a small glass container and pour in the melted wax. Add liquid fabric softener and a few cloves. Cloves have aromatic properties and are commonly used in aromatherapy for relaxation and mood enhancement. Finally, place a wick into the container, holding it in place with a long toothpick to prevent it from sinking. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick. Light the candle, and it's ready to use. Place it in a room where you spend the most time. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help keep unwanted insects away. Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1¼ cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches. Few people know how effective this combination is against ticks. It's 10 times more powerful than store-bought products. Start by preparing a plastic container with a measuring scale so you can easily measure the ingredients. Pour in about 7 ounces of alcohol. Alcohol preserves the mixture and helps it spread evenly. Transfer the alcohol to a glass bottle. Add 3½ ounces of cloves. Cloves have a strong, spicy aroma that ticks absolutely hate, making them incredibly effective. Seal the bottle well and place it in a dark spot for 4 days. Shake it daily to help the ingredients blend. You'll notice the liquid darkens over time. After 4 days, strain the mixture through a sieve to remove the solids. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil. This will make the spray gentler on the skin and easier to apply. Pour everything into a spray bottle. Close it, and it's ready to use. Shake well before each use and spray it on exposed skin, especially hands, legs, and neck. This is a powerful and natural tick repellent, free from harmful chemicals.